Hey guys, it's Ro. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm hanging out with my sister Mo.
Hey everybody.
We're gonna be testing out mystery restaurant to-go bags from the app Too Good To Go. This is not sponsored, but I just really like their mission. It's basically restaurants that have excess food, they're gonna toss it out, but then they don't. And then you can order the food for a discount of the price, so you get more for your money. I love it, and we're gonna make a game of it today. Our team got mystery bags from 10 restaurants. We're gonna compete in 5 rounds: breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert, and special round. And to win the round, we've got to pick the most valuable bag. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Here's the first round. We're gonna try to guess what they're making. Whoever gets it right gets to choose the breakfast. Okay, I see a sheet, I see it. Okay, she's piping, she's piping. It could be a crepe, it could be a pancake design. And then they put it on top, or a roll cake.
Mrs. Potts, pancakes.
That's not, no way, Molly.
Okay.
Molly has to wait 5 seconds.
Oh, Molly has to, if you get it wrong, you have to wait 5 seconds.
Okay.
So I think it's Hello Kitty, right? Like, look at the cute little ears and the bow. Hello Kitty, but what kind of food is it? That's Hello Kitty. That's Hello Kitty.
Hello Kitty pancake.
Wait a minute! Oh my goodness! This is what I get for thinking out loud.
So I gotta choose.
Yeah,
first bag.
which breakfast
So I'm going
do
for
you
the more
wanna choose?
expensive one, right?
Yeah, which one do you think's more expensive? We have
Oh.
blue bottle coffee, or
Coffee bean. Definitely blue bottle.
you think blue bottle's
Yeah.
more than coffee
That's like
bean?
trendy LA.
I don't know this one.
Yeah, I'm going with blue bottle.
Okay.
Yeah, blue bottle.
What I have here, a little
Okay.
breakfast.
Little egg sous vide. I have a little cake. Oh,
Okay, what do you have?
Whoa, I have a scone, a croissant, powdered sugar things, and like a mini cake.
Okay, and I've got like a whole parfait over here.
Wow.
Little granola, little
Yeah.
yogurt. Oh my gosh, this just smells heavenly. This
looks
is a
amazing.
chocolate muffin and it smells so good. A croissant, some type, what is
A
this?
chocolate croissant.
A chocolate croissant.
Yeah.
And then I don't know what these are, little like
Those are
egg bites.
egg white, like souffle bites.
Let's put these croissants next to each other. I will say, I mean, I've never met a croissant I don't love.
Yeah.
They're all amazing, but this is really fancy.
I mean, this is artwork.
I mean,
really.
that's,
Like when you think of a beautiful croissant, this is what you think about.
I mean, that's still nice. I mean, look at all that butter, baby.
Oh, the crunchy.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Oh my
It
God.
smells so good.
I'm gonna have to go on a hike after this.
We both will.
Whose is more expensive?
Okay, ready? Too Good To Go price, $5.99. Actual retail value price, $21.95.
Oh my gosh,
So it's
that's
about
amazing.
$22 for all of this. That's incredible.
Okay, so mine was, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. The Good To Go price that we got all of this for was $5.46, and the actual retail value of everything here was $22.45.
Oh my gosh, so you
I'm
got the
the
better
more
value.
expensive.
Yeah, you got the better value out of that. But you did.
I win.
You won.
Do I win the game?
You won this round.
Guess the character. Guess that says sharp
Ooh,
cheese.
They're making it out of cheese.
There's
Okay.
cheese.
Oh,
It's
chop.
a cheesy,
Okay.
a mailbox. They're gonna.
Oh.
Oh my gosh! Look what he's doing. That's so crazy.
Why do I love
he's
this? It's like
sp-
stop
like-
motion.
Oh my gosh! Mount Rushmore.
Yoshi.
Okay. Dang it. Oh,
One,
okay.
two.
Okay.
Wallace.
Gromit.
Mount Rushmore.
Shut up! It's ahead. Maybe it's a good thing Molly picks because last time she picked first and I won.
Interesting.
So yeah, Molly, which one would you like to pick? Here we've got California Fish Grill or Bad Boys Pizza.
Okay. Oh, his tongue is out. Both of their
Yeah.
tongues are out in the
Yeah, they're like my
logo.
dog Blueberry Muffin. She always has her tongue out. Which one's a greater value, Molly?
I'm gonna go with Fish Grill. 'Cause fish, you know, fish.
Fish is fancy.
Right?
Fish is,
Okay.
You gave me
I just
Bad
don't know what
Boys Pizza.
Bad Boys Pizza, yeah. I have enough boys in my life.
You got enough boys, so you're just throwing
Yeah.
them to me now. Thank you, Molly.
So let's see what's
thank
in
you.
here.
Molly, show us what you've got.
Okay, let's see here. We have some, oh, that looks like soup.
Oh.
Okay, soup usually is not expensive.
Oh, Molly, I've got like cherry pie. This is like a slice of
I
cherry
think I did
pie.
it because that beans and rice.
Spaghetti.
Oh my gosh, okay.
Okay,
And
we got some biscottis and a pizza.
There's no way that mine is more than yours.
Mike, is a slice missing? Oh, maybe it is 2 pieces put together.
Okay, you definitely, I mean, I have beans, rice, and salad. There's no way this is more expensive.
Wait, that's it?
Yeah.
You only got
No fish
Beans?
from the fish grill.
rice. This is like a coleslaw
This is definitely
salad.
sides. This cost $5.49, valued at $11.25.
The good to go price is $9.99, but the actual retail price, Molly, $24.48.
Yep.
I win again. So far, this app seems pretty worth it. Like if you're not too picky about the exact food that you're getting, it's just a great price. All right, let's move on to dinner. Guess the food that he's making.
Oh my God.
Ooh, he's making it out of glass. Oh my gosh.
That's
oh my
crazy.
god. Ice cream. Ah,
Okay.
different. Oh. That's well, why is it all it has all those dots on it? What has dots? Sesame bagel. Sesame seed bagel. Nope. Okay.
No. Pumpkin.
Yeah! Well, that's pretty.
That's really cool.
Oh, that's pretty. All right, Molly, now
Okay.
you get to pick. Which one do you think is bigger value? Which one is gonna give you the most value? Maybe you should like go with whatever your instincts are and pick the opposite.
Okay, you know what? I'm honestly just gonna close my eyes and feel the vibes, and I'm gonna go with this one.
Oh, dang it. I was hoping your eyes were closed. I was gonna give you some vibes.
Wow.
Wait, you're going with which one?
I'm going with Lotus Chinese.
I love Chinese food.
I
What
know,
did I
me
get?
too.
What did I get? Bollywood grill?
Bollywood Grill. That sounds,
Okay.
I mean, they both sound good, but let's see.
All right, Bollywood grill. Don't let me down here, all right? I'm on a winning streak. This is
Wow.
it. Okay, I just got one. It's just one meal here. Let's see what we got.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
Oh, hello.
Okay, that's a full meal, but this is
Rice,
actually
chicken,
a full meal
pita.
too.
That's what I'm talking about. Some bomb curry, salad.
Okay, this is packed. This is huge.
What do you get?
I get soup, I get fortune cookie, I get a lot of meat and veggie dish, and rice. So this, I love.
I think mine's better. This looks so good.
Actually, that chicken
Oh my
looks-
god.
that
Is this
chicken looks
naan?
really
What
good.
is
Yeah,
this?
some
This
naan.
looks so good.
Oh, and some soup.
Like
Big drop
this
soup.
curry. Let me get in my face. That's delicious. This is good.
Oh god,
This
that
is
looks
really
good. I mean,
good.
it looks really good.
I don't want to brag, but this is like way better than what's going on over there. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Ready?
Too good to go price, $8.81. Actual price, $11.75.
All right, we saved a couple bucks for a meal. We like that.
Even retail, that's a lot of food.
Oh my gosh, I am winning! The good to
Are
go
you
price
crazy?
for this whole yummy fresh meal, which honestly for my size, I could cut this in half. This is 2 meals for me. $6.56, an actual retail price, $23.
So not only did that cost less, but the retail price is more.
Yeah, Molly, look, fresh salad, fresh veggies, not
Yeah.
just old grilled stuff. We don't know
Wow.
how old those are. These are fresh. Oh my goodness. It's just getting so hot in here from
Okay.
all my wins. Next round's dessert, and because Molly's losing so bad, we're gonna do double points for these
Wow.
next ones coming
Okay,
up
I
here.
got that. That was
to
just
give
one.
Molly a fighting chance. What is he sculpting?
What
What's
is he
this-
sculpting?
What is this guy sculpting?
Chocolate. Ooh.
Egg! An egg, an Easter egg. Spaceship, spaceship. Boom.
No. No. You need to wait 5 seconds.
What? Oh,
You gotta wait
I have to
5
wait
seconds.
5 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm back in. I'm back in. I'm back-
Alligator. It's a chocolate alligator.
Dragon.
Okay.
Turtle.
Platypus.
Platypus. Crocodile. Oh, shit, I'm getting stronger. Oh.
We're really gonna do crocodile versus alligator?
Yeah, Molly, there are 2 different
I'm
species.
nervous.
Okay, do we go with Jolly Donuts or Unique Pastry Cafe? Well, I'm feeling jolly. So I'm gonna go right over here with the Jolly Bolly Donuts.
We have them over here.
Oh, okay, I was like, wait a minute, there's nothing in here. I'd like my dollars back. Oh, sweet.
A whole box.
Oh, sweet.
A whole box.
Sweet.
In addition to your bag.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, so I've got Jolly Donuts. Who do you have?
I have
Those hot dog buns?
Unique Pastry Cafe Kosher Bakery. So it's a specialty bakery.
Ooh, a kosher bakery.
Not a kosher bakery.
Oh, I kind of love that.
Ooh, we got some big dinner rolls or
These
buns.
look like hot dog
Maybe they're
buns.
just hot dog buns. Ooh,
Are
that looks
they?
like half a challah. Challah?
Yeah, I think so. Okay.
Oh my gosh, there's more. Okay. Ooh, those look like brownie buns.
Ooh, that looks delicious.
Okay.
Holy. Oh,
And
you have
there's
more?
more.
Uh-oh. Maybe I picked wrong here. Those look amazing.
Ooh.
Dibs. I
looks
want that one.
incredible, honestly.
I'm putting
And look,
an
I think I
R
see
on
jelly.
it
I think
for
I see
me.
jelly in it too.
That's me. You can't have it. I want that one. That
Okay,
looks
well,
so
I'll
good.
put
All I have is this big box. We don't know what's in here. It says that it could be fresh donuts, boba smoothies, croissant sandwiches, protein shake, sub sandwiches,
Oh.
fresh orange juice. We don't know.
Could be a lot of things. Okay.
Oh, it's all donuts.
It's a full, you got your
Oh,
bear
it's
claw, you got your
all
apple turnover,
donuts.
you got your
the
glazed.
maple bar, my
Maple's
favorite.
Okay, I have to say,
But-
I 1,000% think I won this.
I think you won this one too. This just looks fancier. Results are in.
Okay,
Results
you go
are in.
first. You go first. You pick Jolly Donut.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so the good to go price for all of these donuts, $5.99. Actual retail value, if you just bought them without the app, you walked in that day and you got these, $19.26.
That's great. That's a third of the price.
Amazing.
And this one, too good to go, $7.29.
Okay. What?
Actual
What?
retail price, $41.57.
Look at you, Kosher Bakery.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I knew you were fancy.
Oh, we're coming back. We're coming back to you. This looks okay. I have to. This looks incredible.
I know this maple bar is so good, but I need a bite of that. What's in the middle? Is it filled?
Oh, I didn't even get to the filling, but it's in there.
Is it just the best donut ever?
Oh, she's in there.
Oh my god.
Wow. Wow.
Molly, wait for me. Our matching. Oh my gosh, look. Strawberry.
Yep. Strawberry
Or
center.
raspberry. What is it?
I think it's raspberry actually. I got a hint of it. I didn't go deep
Oh my
enough.
god. Oh, that's amazing. Molly, this is what's up. This is awesome.
This is so good.
Can't believe you won. I feel like whoever wins the buzzer loses the other challenge.
I don't know.
We'll test it.
I don't know.
Wait, you just got double points, right?
Yeah. So now it's 2 to 3.
Wait, is the next person just wins?
Yeah.
The next round just wins.
Just wins.
Okay, guess what he's making? Oh, it's yellow. Oh, it's yellow. It's yellow.
That's Cinderella cake. That's flopping over.
No, it's not Cinderella
Oh.
cake, Molly. That's
Okay.
so. Hamburger,
Mushroom.
lollipop, tree. Bart Simpson. It's yellow. Bob's Burger. But that's Bob. Oh my God.
Curious George.
Bert and Ernie.
Oh.
Bert or Ernie. Which one's yellow?
How's that not a mushroom?
That
Already
is.
guessed
That
the
looks
mushroom.
like a mushroom.
Princess Leia.
Princess Leia.
Buzz off. Princess Peach. Elsa. Snow White.
Ah! How did you? Molly's just naming every princess.
She has a dress. She has
saw
a
the
crown.
dress.
And it was when the dress
Oh.
became yellow. They're having that
Yellow.
new live action Snow White come out with all the animated dwarves, all the
They
CGI
are?
dwarves. Yeah.
Wait, it's CGI dwarf?
All the dwarves are CGI. It was a thing. It was a whole thing.
How rude! So instead of hiring an actual little person, they just CGI'd them all?
Well, that was some of the drama. Some people that were hired were not of smaller nature, and it was an issue, and so they just CGI'd them.
That's f***ed up because it's not like they hire small little people like dwarves and then CGI them to look normal height. It's like you're just taking jobs away
I'm telling
from the nuggets.
It was a whole thing. That's why they're CGI now.
Okay,
Also-
Molly, since you have won, now you get to choose the royalty crown or the skulls.
My instinct tells me to go here, so
Yeah.
I'm gonna go against my instincts.
Wow.
And go over here. Okay. Ooh, it's heavy too. Okay. Okay.
Yours is heavy?
Yeah, it's heavy. My instincts would be
Mine's
crown,
not.
expensive.
Yeah, look
and
how
so,
fancy. Look at the crown. You sure you don't want this one?
So I went this way. Gold.
I feel like you should change your mind.
Nope.
Like this is probably
Nope.
better.
No,
And I'll probably
no,
take this.
no. Okay.
I think you're
Yeah,
cheating.
that's, ooh.
Molly's cheating.
Oh my God, what is this? There's fish looking at me.
Oh my God. Oh my gosh.
That is
Molly.
a bunch of fish
Oh, that's fish heads. That's fish heads.
It's not the
Ew.
fillet. It's not the fillet. It is.
Ew. That's so gross. Dude, this is just a bag of fish heads.
I don't. Okay, I don't think I can.
This is pretty gross, dude. Full eyeball and everything. And this is our whole childhood. Like when we go fishing, I had to gut the fish and Molly would puke everywhere.
I'm a catch and releaser. I'm a catch and release girly.
Molly's barely a catch and releaser.
I'm a catch and release
she
girly.
can't even when she catches it, she has a hard time just releasing it. She's like, blah, blah, blah.
Okay,
So,
I can't even look. I
Molly,
can't even
this
look
is
at that.
gonna make us some fish stock.
But it's a lot of fish heads, so maybe it's expensive. I don't feel like fish stock is expensive though.
I love that you went for the heavy one because you're like, that's gonna have more value.
How many
and
are-
you just got a bunch of dead fish heads.
How many are in there? But how many are in there? I mean, it's a lot, right?
I mean, that'll make some good stock. We can use that. But now let's look at our royal bag over here. Maybe there's something a little fancier. Maybe not dead fish heads. Oh, what's this? Oh, what's this?
Not fish heads.
Oh, what's this? Little dessert? Okay, all I know is it's a king. Oh my gosh, are these those yummy little desserts where they're fruit and they're candy coated?
Tangaloo.
What are they called?
Tangaloo.
Tangaloo?
Tang.
Tang?
Hulu.
Hulu.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, I can't pronounce. Oh, snap, they are. Oh, we got candy coated, we got grapes, we got oranges, we got strawberries. Okay, Molly, even if I lost, I think I won.
4, 5, 6,
I
7,
won this round.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I got at least 15 heads in here, so I don't know about that. I don't know. I got at least 15 fish heads. That means 30 eyeballs. Some people like eating the fish eyeballs. I don't know.
They do?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's a whole thing.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
I don't know what they taste like. Okay, ready?
I feel like you should go first.
My fancy desserts.
Okay.
Which, look, they melted a little bit, but the sugar, there's still a little crunch on here, so I appreciate that. But it is a little worse for wear. But retail, okay, wait. Good to go price, $7.65. Actual price, $25.79. 25. See, this is fancy dessert.
That is fancy.
Fancy dessert.
That actually is
fancy
pretty fancy.
dessert.
Okay.
Because I've made these from scratch. They do take some time.
So these fish heads, the Too Good To Go price is $7.65.
Are you kidding me?
And the retail price is $26.25.
Molly Lou.
Pew, 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 pew.
Molly Lou, you did not just win this game with some fish heads.
Take that Snow White.
Oh, now she can hold the bag. Now she's not nauseous. Now she's like,
I adjusted.
like,
I had
win.
to adjust. It took me a second.
I tried one of mine, so why don't you try one of yours?
Wow. How about you? A little fish hat. Oh
This
my God.
is not a fish hat, dude. You are so messed up to me. This is actually extremely comfortable, and I could
Is it,
wear
like, good
this
for a headache?
all day. Yeah, because it's kind of cold, so it like feels good for a headache. Here's all the food that we got with Too Good To Go, the app, and the total price that we spent on all of this food is $70.88, and the total retail price is $227.75.
That is incredible.
That's wild. Have you guys used this app before? What was your experience? Because this is my first time using it, and I think it's really cool.
Yeah, I mean, coffee
Especially
bean?
for the brunch stuff.
Oh my
I
gosh.
love to brunch.
Well, are you
so like
kidding
this
me?
is
This will-
amazing. Thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it and you want to support the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to watch any other videos, you can click up. Oh, I'm on this side now.
Yeah.
Up here.
Or up here.
Or there.
Or there.
There.